Hello and welcome to our second webinar with Hyderabad Times. This time around, we decided to bring you a fun session with some of Hyderabad's most talented singers. Let me introduce our panel to you. First up, we have Geeta Madhuri. She's an award-winning playback singer, runner-up of Bigg Boss Season 2, and a renowned singer, everybody knows her. We have LV Raven, winner of Indian Idol Season 9. We have with us Sasha Tirupati joining us live from Canada. She's an award-winning playback singer herself. And we also have Dinker Kalwala. He's member of the band Capriccio. He is also a bona fide contemporary musician who has also worked in television shows, in films, and has his own private albums. So welcome to everybody, and I hope you enjoy the session. Tinker, I'll start with you. How has it been going for you in the life in the lockdown? How is Capriccio doing? How are you personally doing? How has everything been going in Warangal?
Yeah, for me, it's been fantastic. So, I mean, as Geeta said, the reason is obviously not a good reason though. But I've got a lot of time to spend with my family, especially because I think after my marriage, after 6 years, this is the longest period I've been, staying with my parents. So, so me, my dad, my mom, my daughter, and my wife, we've been here together. I've got a chance to, help my mom, help my wife, doing some household work. At the same time, I've been uploading some good stuff on the social media for the last 50 days of my lockdown. So I've been doing a video every day technically. So I've been devoting some good amount of time for my music as well. So for me, it's been really nice. Yeah, I'm making full use of the lockdown completely. Yeah.
Okay. Sasha, welcome to this session. Tell us, how have you been during this lockdown period? You're in Canada, if I'm not wrong. So how has the coronavirus situation been like in Canada, and how have you been personally over this period of time?
So the situation where I am, like I'm in Vancouver, which is the West Coast. It isn't too bad over here in British Columbia, but it's apparently on the East Coast in Ontario, Montreal, things are pretty bad. Lots of casualties there as well. There have been in BC, which is where I am, British Columbia. There have been cases, but not as much as over there. So we are still safe. I actually had to take a repatriation flight back to Vancouver because of a family emergency. So so I was required by law to be in a 14-day mandatory lockdown. Today is the last day, so I'm going to be going upstairs and hugging my dad and my brothers for the first time now after 14 days of being in Canada.
I see. That's wonderful. Then Geeta Garu, how have you been during this period of time?
Actually, I have a 9-month-old kid now, so I'm like, I'm going to get. I'm getting the quality time, and I'm sure there won't be any shows in the next 2-3 months, if I'm not wrong.
Because, not 2-3 months, more than 2-3 months.
True.
Krishna
sorry for the interruption.
Only అదనమాట. సో అలా ఆ రకంగా ఒక క్వాలిటీ ఫ్యామిలీ టైం అయితే స్పెండ్ చేశాము ఒక రకంగా చెప్పాలంటే. అండ్ Nandu, he is actually hosting for sports channel and all, and again he also does shootings and all, and we guys don't stay together, and our schedules are ela ante suddenly we get a call, chalo come, there's a recording, and alanti calls vastuntayi kada, alantivi emi levu. We know that we're not going to get calls for any work, so we can plan our schedule. And actually oka rakanga cheppalante పొద్దున్నే లేచి రాత్రి పడుకుని ఇలాంటి కొన్ని అంటే హెల్త్ పరంగా చూసుకుంటే అన్ని సెట్ అవుతున్నాయి అన్నమాట.
Revant, a lot of people during this lockdown period have picked up new skills. Some of us have become master chefs. some of us are suddenly, doing very good paintings and things like that. Any good skills any skills you picked up during this time? I mean, apart from singing, of course.
Yeah, of course, I cook very well. But I made, Chinese and different dishes from the last 2 months, if I'm not wrong. Usually, we didn't get any proper time to do all this. But I think this is the time. I think this is the best time to spend a proper and quality time with family. But the only part is we're unable to work. That's it. That was the saddest part.
Sasha, let's start with you. Your lockdown song, the thing you've been listening to a loop, or if you have to sing one song of this lockdown for the last 45 days, which would it be?
The song, okay, so the song I'm going to sing right now is a song that I love. It's like one of my favorite songs, so I'm going to sing that. Oh, चंदा सूरज लाखों तारे हैं जब तेरे ही ये सारे किस बातें होती हैं बेतकरारे खींची है लकीरें समी पे पड़ना खींचू लेकिन बीच में दो दिलों के दीवारे दुनिया में कहीं भी दर्द से कोई भी तड़पे तो हमको यहाँ पे एहसास उसके जख्मों का हो के अपना भी दिल भर भर आए रोए आके निगा निगा सगरे निगा सगरे निगा सगरे निगा सगरे there you go. Little bit of
Dinker, your lockdown song, what is the song that you have been listening to on loop, or your favorite song of the lockdown, or one thing that you like to sing?
I really love the song, and when you asked me to sing, undoubtedly this was the song I wanted to pick. So this one's called Joomle, and it's from the album Kash.
Yeah.
So the song was like
nice
this.
Song.
देर ही बनते बिगड़ते कुछ इसे लगती ही नहीं देर ही बनते बिगड़ते कुछ इसे लगती ही नहीं फूल के दीवार पर शबनम का घर है जिंदगी फूल के दीवार पर शबनम का घर है जिंदगी सांस के बस एक झोंके का सफर है जिंदगी झूम ले हंस बोले ले
Geeta Madhuri Garu, we're all, we've been waiting, I think.
ఓకే నాకు సడన్ గా టక్కని గుర్తొచ్చిన పాట నేను పాడతాను ఓకే దినకర్ పాడితే
Sure.
Terime varamanu.
ఇంకేం వద్దా ఒక పాటని పాడనా హృదయాల రవళించనా ఒక పాటని పాడనా హృదయాల రవళించనా సరిగమ పదని సప్త స్వరముల మధుర భావాలు స్వర సంగీతాలు గళములో నిండగా ఒక పాటనే పాడనా
Devant, as our fourth panelist, I'm coming to you next. So what?
Yeah.
Your song of the lockdown, please.
अपना नाम बदल दो या तेरा नाम छुपा लूं या छोड़ के सारे आग में वैराग उठा लूं बस एक रहे तेरा काम इश्क, मेरा काम इश्क, तेरा काम इश्क, मेरा नाम इश्क, तेरा नाम इश्क, मेरा नाम तेरा नाम, तेरा नाम इश्क, ये लाल इश्क, ये मलाल इश्क, ये बरिश्क, ये बरिश्क, इश्क इश्क. That's it.
I think since I've gotten you here, Revant, I've just asked all of you to sing this one song of the lockdown. If you could also sing one song after the lockdown is done, what is the first song that you would sing? If you go out there and perform on stage, what would be that one song you would like to sing once lockdown is done?
కూటికినే పేదను గుణములలో పెద్దను సంకల్పమే నాకు ధనము సాహసమే నాకు బలము ఏ నాటికో ఈ గరీబు కాపోడు నవాబు అంతలో నేనొక నిరంతర సంచారి నా దారి ఎడారి నా పేరు బికారి నా దారి ఎడారి నా పేరు బికారి. After lockdown we just want to explore a lot.
Rinker, you will imagine a scenario where you're back with your band together and you're out on the stage and people in the audience are now wearing masks or doing whatever it is, but they're finally out there to see you. So what is that
very
song
hard
you will
to
sing for an audience when you're back up on stage?
Probably I would be doing this one. Yeah. This one's Kal Ho Na Ho. So I do Har Ghadi Badal Rahi Hai Roop Zindagi. Yeah. So yeah. To start off, the first gig after the lockdown, I would definitely want it to be a little sober, bringing everybody back into a comfort zone, and definitely I would like to sing the song. So it goes like this. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जीऊं, जो है समा कल हो न हो. हर घड़ी बदल रही है रूप जिंदगी, छाँव है कभी कभी है धूप जिंदगी, हर पल यहाँ जी भर जीऊं, जो है समा कल हो न हो. Yeah.
Wow.
Yeah, lockdown lo paadalsin paat idi.
I know Geeta, but definitely I would want the first gig lo pada వాళ్ళకి ఏం చెప్పాలో అర్థం కాని ఒక కన్ఫ్యూజన్ స్టేట్ లో కూడా I would like to tell them that be prepared, that there is another version of the COVID-19. There would be a re-wave, the second wave of corona. So I don't know how far that's going to be true, but yeah, I wish that doesn't happen. But
Oh my God.
ఏదేమైనా I don't know what's going to happen. Yeah.
Of course మైక్ పట్టుకొని బిడ్డకి విడుదల అన్నట్టు గట్టిగా విడుదల అనాలి.
నువ్వు చేయరా అది, నువ్వు చేయి, నువ్వు అదే చేయి.
Yeah. Sasha in Vancouver, all able to go out in the open again. What would be that one song you would sing to celebrate it?
I'm not going to be in Vancouver post-lockdown. I'm coming back to Bombay then. I live in Bombay, right? So I'm going to be there. And I think what I would sing is, I think what I'm going to sing at that point. I would tell people to not leave once they're there. So I'd say, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर के दिल अभी भरा नहीं, अभी तो आए हो बाहर बन के छाए हो, जरा महके तोरे नजर, जरा बहके तोरे ये शाम ढल तोरे, जरा ये दिल संभल तोरे, जरा नशे के घूंट भी तो लूं, अभी तो कुछ कहा नहीं, अभी तो कुछ सुना नहीं, बुरा ना मानो बात का, ये प्यार है गिला नहीं, अभी ना जाओ छोड़ कर. That's what I would do.
Oh, I mean,
अरे वाह.
that's wonderful. Just out of curiosity, are you telling coronavirus, अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर?
I'm telling people कि हो गया, कोरोना गया, अभी आप लोग मत जाओ, क्योंकि बहुत टाइम तक दिल नहीं भरने वाला है.
गीता गारो, we've heard हर घड़ी बदल रही है and अभी ना जाओ छोड़कर. So, what would be that song that you will sing for us? Once the lockdown is done, you're out in the open again, maybe with your family, in front of your fans, your admirers. What song will you sing for them?
నాకైతే ఒకటే సాంగ్ వస్తుంది నా మైండ్ లోకి, జస్ట్ సడన్ గా వస్తుంది నాకు. ఓకే, ఎవరో ఒకరు ఎప్పుడో అప్పుడు నడవరా ముందుగా అటో ఇటో ఎటో వైపు అని గుర్తొస్తుంది ఆ పాట. ఎందుకు గుర్తొస్తుందో నాకు తెలీదు ఈ పాట, బికాస్ సమ్వన్ హ్యాస్ టు స్టార్ట్ కదా once the lockdown is completed. So ఆ పాట గుర్తొచ్చింది.
Geeta Garu, now the coronavirus, we are seeing virtual concerts and everything also, but how has coronavirus impacted the music industry?
People who are used to work, actually before lockdown also, people who are used to work like at their place, like work from home, like keyboard players, say for it, lyric writers, and some singers who have system, their own system and all,
Whole setup.
facing this lockdown prior also, because they usually work from their home. So nothing much has changed to people who are working from home. But for singers who don't have a studio, or who don't have a system or a mic at their place, I think they must be their career must have got affected a little bit, because they cannot go out and they cannot go out to the studios and sing. But then keyboard players and a lot of singers have their own system, they have their own setup, audio setup at their place, and they record from their home and they send the files and all. So people who who are actually very good with computer and very good with these audio kind of things and all, I think they are not nothing much got affected, like I told you before. So, and about the music industry is actually better than all the other crafts in cinema as of now, because this is something which can be done within the four walls, like four walls madhyalo it can be completed. But shootings and all, compared to that, I think oka better position lone undani anukuntunnanu.
Okay, fingers crossed. Hopefully, that will remain. Dinker, I wanted to ask you in terms of performing live also. I mean, there are a lot of virtual concerts that are happening around the world.
True.
I think that those are one of the things that are keeping us entertained during these grim times. But
True.
as somebody who performs live on stage, how is virtual concerts really the same without the audience in front of you? Is it the same while performing to a faceless audience? How different is that?
To be very honest with you, I haven't done any virtual concert yet. It's still on the loop line. But so because I haven't done, I probably cannot genuinely answer your question because I haven't experienced doing it. But as far as I think, it would definitely be a different experience. As far as music and singing is concerned, performing is concerned, it would be the same, because even if there are 10 people in the audience or 100 people in the audience, an artist who's on stage has to perform. So it would be the same, but the experience would definitely be a little different. Definitely it would be different because there would be no people in front of you. You'd be like, trying to sing in front of a camera. But definitely wherever you perform, for a singer or any musician, they want to give their best and they want people to be happy, and they, you know, they want to prove themselves. So in terms of performance, I don't think there would be any bigger change, but the experience overall, it would be different. Yeah.
On that note, Revant, I'd like to come to you. Do you think post-COVID, when we go back out there, there will be a difference in the way music also, like many things else, as Tinker was saying some time back, that he cannot imagine audience wearing masks and standing there, So how
Yeah, man.
do you think it's something that's inevitable? Post-COVID will be for the music world.
After post lockdown, also people has to take care of themselves, because this virus is like anything these days, because daily cases are back to back,
Going up.
going on,
They're
and
increasing. Yeah.
increasing a lot. And too, when it comes to in Hyderabad, we didn't get proper checkups actually, firstly. So
True.
when it compared to other states, people has to know, and people got to know about how many positive cases are there and all. But when it comes to Hyderabad, we didn't get any how can I say, we're not go through any
No
texting
proper
or something like that.
checking.
Yeah, no proper checking. So after lockdown also, people has to take care of themselves, because it's not that much easy to get them, because definitely for next one and a half year, it has to set actually, firstly. And second thing, as Dinakarana says, everything is absolutely correct and right.
Sasha, coming to you now, last word from you. I think this is a new normal that we have to maybe deal with. Closing remarks from you, please.
You know what? I think there's going to be, okay, any opportunities you get, everybody here, to do live concerts, please do them online live concerts. Please do them. They are paying, like a lot of people are paying. So it gets your bills paid, it takes care of your child, Geeta, all of you guys, and we don't know when it's going to open up. And seriously, I mean, on a more serious note, it will be, even if I do get called for gigs and if gigs do open up, I'm not going to go, because travel, you have to always think about that. Travel is going to be very icky. I came here with like an inch gap between other passengers, and that's why I was very happy to do a 14-day quarantine, because my dad's sick. So I think it's very important that we are responsible.
I think Geeta's baby is interrupting.
Yes. I think our future singing superstar is perhaps also entering this panel.
Definitely.
Yeah.
Hi. Actually, I forgot the lyrics. Actually, otherwise I would love to sing for that baby. Urumulu ni navolai, tolakari meghanai vai, tare tare tarare tarare re, takadhimi taralapai, tare tare tarara. Tare tare tarare kinnera sani tarare tarara tarare tarare. Actually, this is a fantastic song. Actually, हवा में रहेंगे, घटाओं में रहेंगे, तू भर का मेरी, मैं तेरा का बादल पिया, जो तेरे ना हुए तो किसी का ना रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी, मैं तेरा पागल पिया, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली है, एक रांझा हीर जैसी, न जाए जमाना क्यों चाहे रे मिठाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया, पिया 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 रे, पिया रे, पिया रे, पिया रे. This is a fantastic lyrics actually. After that I got to know
what is the exact meaning of the song and all.
Sure.
Fantastic singing by Arijit actually.
Absolutely.
Mm.
To end on a lovely note, the two of you, two very talented singers in front, do you want to do like a jugalbandi just to to end the session, a duet of sorts between Revant and Geeta Garu?
I'll sing Revant's Manohari. He'll sing his male version. Okay.
Wow.
Sure.
Thank you. Yeah.
ఇరుక్కుపో హత్తుకొని వీరా ధీరా కొరుక్కుపో నీ తనివి తీరా తీరా తోణక్క బెణక్క వయస్సు తెరల్ని తీరా తీరా ఉలక్క పలక్క ఉడుక్కు పనేదో చేయరా చెయ్యరా
మనోహరి మనోహరి పువ్వులన్నీ చుట్టుముట్టితేనే జల్లుతుంటే కొట్టుకుంది గుండె తుమ్మెదై ఒళ్ళంత తుళ్ళింతై వింత కవ్వింతలేలా బాల ఇరుక్కుపో హత్తుకొని వీరా ధీరా పాడు పాడు కొరుక్కుపో నీ తనివి తీరా తీరా.
And Suhas, thank you so much for your time, buddy. And this is our this is it was really firstly thanks to all your whole cast and crew members, because I think it's been so long that we had a video call between me, Geeta, and Dinakar and Shasha Tirupati. So we really had a great time, and thank you so much for your lovely questions, and thanks for your time for this lovely interview. Hope you love this.
Yes,
time.
Absolutely. Thank you to all of you for joining me, and I hope we can do this again sometime soon.